Here we have a 71 plate Mercedes-Benz GLC 220D 4MATIC AMG line Premium Plus. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked, as you can see just down there. We do also have the polar white metallic paintwork, LED headlights, got the Pan America front grille and the black Mercedes badge in the centre. Round to the passenger side, you'll then find the second alloy wheel, again in excellent condition. We also have the side steps running along the bottom, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. Colour coded door handles and door mirrors. We also have the brush metal trim around the windows with the privacy glass at the rear. On the roof you'll find the glass sunroof. It's currently on a tilt. It can also slide all the way open. We do then have the 360-degree cameras with front and rear parking sensors and a visual display inside. Power operated tailgate at the back along with the rear diffuser. And back round to the driver's side you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If we take a look at the interior, inside of the back you'll find the leather seats, with the Refundable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. We then have the vents for the climate control just down there in the centre. On the doors you've got the wooden effect trim along with the MERCEDES sound system and electric windows. Let's take a look at the front, so you'll find the same leather seats, both front seats being heated and electrically adjustable with the memory functions as well. As a quick look at both of them, seat controls are on the doors, again the MERCEDES speakers, electric mirrors and electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights. We then have the multifunctional steering wheel as well. As a look at the roof from the inside. Taking the seat inside, you find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle will start up. Just make sure the volume is turned down. We then have the phone connectivity buttons here on the left. We also have paddle shifters as well either side of the steering wheel, cruise control and speedometer on the right. Digital dashboard, free from any warning lights. We can also go through different features on the dashboard just like so, all controlled using this side of the steering wheel. We can also change the design, so it's currently on sport, and as you can see we can switch through the different styles just like so. We then have the main infotainment screen. It's currently showing the sat nav. Plenty more features on here you would have seen on the photos. We do have the shortcut buttons down here and also the touchpad. So if you go onto the main menu, you find the phone connectivity for phone calls. We've got the radio stations, media options. We then have the comfort, which has the ambient lighting. Plenty of colours to go through on here, and it looks really nice at night time. Again, over to the apps, you'll find the smartphone for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Further down, we've got the vents. We also have the dual zone climate control for the front passengers, ice-cold air conditioning. Wooden effect trim continues here in the centre. We also have the switch where you find Eco, Comfort, Sport and Individual. Putting the car into reverse, you then find the reverse camera along with the 360 view on the right. We can go through each individual camera. As you can see, all the camera angles work just as you would expect them to. Putting it back into park, and that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out their website. This vehicle comes with free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.